Yoga versus gym. Find out which one is better for you. Work out at the gym or stick to yoga? The choice is very difficult for fitness enthusiasts. Young people generally find yoga to be boring since it's not very much exciting. But we believe in making use of both because when we practice yoga and perform workout, we experience cardiovascular health benefits as well as whole body detox benefits. Let's go through the benefits of both to help you make a wise decision. Practicing yoga is very much feasible. You don't have to spend too much money to attend the classes. In fact, you can also check out some cool yoga practicing videos on YouTube and start following along. For performing workouts, you need to travel to the gym or take its membership. It might be a bit expensive for some of you. You will need a trainer to guide you properly because performing any of the exercises wrongly can injure you. Yoga has been used since ancient times and is meant to detox the body from within. This leads to mental relaxation and feeling of balance. On the other hand, gym sessions totally focus on toning your body and boosting your cardiovascular health. They focus less on your mental health. While yoga can be done whenever you want to as it's not time restricted, gym has timings and schedule to follow, so if you miss those sessions then you are at a loss. Yoga also provides relief against bloating and constipation. Gym workout is of no help in such conditions. When it comes to anti-aging benefits, yoga immensely helps in keeping our internal organs healthy and smooth functioning. Gym workouts also provide anti-aging benefits, but be careful as some of the workouts can help reverse your cell's aging process. Yoga primarily focuses on spiritual enlightenment and emotional awareness, while gym workouts only help in improving physical fitness. There is no connection between the body, mind, and soul there. Yoga, on the other hand, focuses on our mind and body. It helps you to feel emotionally healthy, so you don't get lots of cravings and you end up eating mindfully also. In the case of gym, when we perform hard workouts in the gym, it boosts our appetite, but it's very necessary that you eat healthy food right after your gym to avoid binging on junk food, as both yoga and workout at the gym will regulate your metabolism, so we recommend doing both. Now an important question which arises is it okay to practice both yoga as well as work out at the gym too? My answer would be, it would be awesome to have the best of both worlds. You can set a schedule in such a way that it should not hamper your health. You can perform 3 days of cardio and can practice yoga for the other 3 days, keeping aside 1 day of the week as your rest day because you need to give your body some time to adapt to these physical exertions. So by practicing yoga as well as gym workouts, you can get benefits of both, but it will take some time to attain the results you want. In case you are someone looking for weight loss and are confused between yoga and gym, then let us help you out. Yoga isn't designed to tone your body or burn your belly fat, but gym helps in raising your heart rate and you stay in a fat burning mode. Well, we don't recommend going with any one fitness session. Rather, we would recommend a combination of both to cherish the benefits of both, as it will be a win-win situation and it will also help you stay healthy and strong for long. No doubt yoga is a great start to train your mind and body to ease into challenging moves. Your organs go through a cleansing process and all emotional blocks will also get removed. And when that goes away, you will naturally perform better in your life. As you gain some flexibility, you will also find that starting the gym workouts are easier. Nowadays, fitness industries are getting more creative and there are always more challenging workouts emerging. So if you are active in the gym, you can jump straight to yoga and can avail its benefits too.